To a topical issue now about a substance causing ganja smokers to go berserk. Embalming fluid mixed with weed. It's said to be used by young men who engage in criminal activities. But experts warn that it's not only dangerous but deadly. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports on part of a primetime news special.
It goes by many different names on the streets, including fry, wet, and whack. The name is arrived at based on how it's done, a ganja spliff laced with embalming fluid. This is the end product of marijuana soaked in embalming fluid. I won't smoke it for obvious reasons, but it is now becoming a popular practice in pockets of the society. A medical doctor whose area of specialty is forensic sciences says it's not a good combination because the embalming fluid has a poisonous chemical known as formaldehyde.
Once they light the cigarette, then the formaldehyde evaporates very quickly. So as they inhale the smoke, they are inhaling the gaseous formaldehyde, and that is even more potent than the liquid. It crosses the blood-brain barrier.
But apart from smoking, some persons would inject it in their bodies or even drink it. The effects of taking this drug is not only dangerous, but can be very deadly.
It gets into your liver. It can cause cirrhosis. It gets into your lungs, where it can cause fibrosis.
I know of at least 2 funeral homes that members of staff drink it, and they started sleeping from then until now. That's more than 10 years. They haven't wake up. They won't wake until judgment morning.
But can the substance help persons to engage in criminal activities?
Well, formaldehyde is quite volatile. It causes a range of effects, including hallucinations. They develop a sense of invincibility, meaning that they feel superior. There is a loss of emotional feeling, so they are not easily affected by emotional circumstances around them.
Which is what you're now seeing in this video, which has been circulating on social media. A man believed to be on fry getting high. But many have questioned how persons get access to a drug that is obviously should not be on the open market. Checks made by TVJ News reveal that the embalming fluid is not restricted in Jamaica. Therefore, anyone can have access to it.
If you are bringing the chemical from abroad, yes, you need a special permit to get it. But if you're buying it locally, no.
Meanwhile, Dr. Smith is advising persons who are using this drug to stop. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.